Hi friends, welcome to this day 10 of SSS at 5:55 p.m. Spirituality made simple with Sanjeev and Saurav, and I am waiting for my and by the time he joins, it's been a great journey and we are so happy for your response. So sure, I think doctor should be joining any moment, and we are here, and I'm sure you all must be enjoying your journey of spirituality in simple manner, because this is all about simplicity. So doctor, he's joining but waiting for what happened. Probably somewhat network. There can be always a technical glitch. Hi Monica, thanks for joining. We see you are a regular one. So great to see you every time. And I'm sure you're doing good. So Monica, why don't you share something that's happening good in your life with our spirituality made simple? Doctor, you have to send the request again. I think something went wrong at technical side. Let's see what happens. If we can hear you. Yes, doctor, send the request again. Let us see. There are some possibilities which can happen anytime, any moment. Technical is technical. Although this is always a great thing. We have
Hi
doctor.
Sanjeev, how are you? Good
I am
evening.
good. How about you? Good evening, dear.
I am very well. I see another change of background, beautiful background. I really like it, very lighted up and very bright.
Yeah, after 3 days, my background is lighted up. Since last 3 days, I was always in the dark. Thank you. Yes, dear. So, how's everything going on? I was talking to Monica. She has been regular with us, and Monica says everything is going positive in life. So she
That's
had
good, very nice.
uh, and she had been regularly practicing and making a lot of effort that she's here on a regular basis. So great, wonderful, doctor. So, what's the topic today?
Anger.
Anger. Wow, very powerful topic. A very must needed topic, and a lot of people talk about it. Huh? Okay,
Absolutely.
let's start. Let's hear from you.
Uh, Anger, it's for me, okay, so let's talk spiritually. Anger comes up when we are cornered, when we are unable to express ourselves in any manner possible. Our mind takes over, our ego takes over, and gives us the strength to increase. Our voice makes us tough, our muscles start rippling. It's a volcanic effect in the body to release everything that's been stuck up for many years, is what I believe anger is. If you are able, and it's not the person who's angry is their fault. It's actually a combination of other things, but basically pent up emotions, as they say, stuck up emotions that are not released over time, then show up as anger. And it's at the point where the person cannot hold on to their thoughts or feelings anymore. They don't have a choice. It's like जब engine को ज़्यादा जोर डालोगे तो एक दिन वो फटेगा. जब फटता है तो ऐसा फटता है कि फिर लोगों के आसपास बैंड बज जाता है. So
Yeah.
it's the same thing, it's a lot of heated emotions stuck in the body that need to release, and that's what anger is for me. What about for you?
Uh, Even doctor, what you shared, my understanding is similar, but very something which I would like to address first in spirituality about people talking that I want to get rid of anger, or help me, my partner, my son, my friend to get free of anger. So first thing which comes into the mind, why do one need to get free of anger? Why do you want to get rid of anger? Why? Because Moment you say that I want to get free of anger, get me rid of anger, that means you're trying to suppress a communication that you are trying, that is about to burst out.
Correct.
Now, if you suppress something which is ready to burst, which is ready to blast,
Hmm.
so if it doesn't blast outside, then it will blast inside,
Right.
because it has to blast ultimately. Now, spirituality perspective, it is very clear. If it blasts inside, that means it's a suppression,
Hmm.
and suppression would lead to depression. So, for an individual, if you are again talking about simplicity,
Hmm.
one should understand from my point of view, my awareness, that anger is a positive aspect to be considered. Number one,
Hmm.
whether it is your or you're getting from somebody, at least the other person is expressing their emotion. Remember yesterday we were talking about expressing the emotion.
Yeah.
Similarly here also, anger is just nothing else but expression of emotion. Emotion which was suppressed is coming out,
Hmm.
and it's a wonderful opportunity for one to really understand, okay, if there's something like that, then we should take charge of that part of missing emotion into the person, rather than stopping or uh, abusing or contradicting or stopping. That's what comes to my thought immediately. What That's my point of view.
Yeah, I think it's absolutely right. So, like you said, anger, like the person blowing the horn right now, that was just anger. There was nothing else. You could blow a horn in a small amount, but people like to blow it loud because they're angry. They are expressing their anger on the horn rather than on the person in front of them. So, yes, internally, anger can cause anything from a cancer to diabetes to arthritis and many more chronic diseases. Anger can also lead to memory loss. It can lead to just it's just a litany of issues that you can exist. Anger, when released outside, impacts your external relationships. Internally, we don't see what's happening, so we're like, "Acha, theek hai, let's keep it inside." Externally, we can see the impact right away, so we have an issue. If if you went for a report, a blood report, every week, you would realize how much of damage you're doing to your own body by keeping up those emotions within. और उस टाइम पे आप बोलते हो भैया बाहर निकाल दो, रिश्ता टूटना है तो भाई मुझे अंदर नहीं चाहिए. That's how bad the whole held up emotions are. Anger itself is not bad. Anger itself is actually a body trying to heal itself. It's saying, I'm not ready to hold on to this. I'm sorry, I don't want any chronic diseases. So I am releasing it. I care a damn about the people in front of me at the moment. It's me, it's within me that needs to be fixed. I need to make sure that this body is healthy.
Yeah, it is
And
again what you are saying. Sorry, I'm intervening.
yeah, no, at all. Please, please.
We are connecting to the same our sequence of talk, and we almost use this sentence in every line. You said body doesn't want to get into any chronic disease. Again, body is trying to release the issues from the tissues.
Absolutely, that's what it does. So, as I was thinking about anger and as it came up, there's so much involved around it. Maybe I don't know. We can think of it a little bit more. Maybe we can actually talk anger in different aspects during the whole week. Who knows what's coming up? Because, like you said, it's a very deep topic that needs help because everybody gets angry and everybody doesn't want to get angry and they still get angry. So we don't want to. We still do. We keep on saying we don't want to, and we still do. It's a circle. We all hate getting angry because the after effect of anger, the way it's released, is also not very great for the body because it has used up a lot of energy. It makes us very vulnerable to a lot of diseases. COVID, for example. So a lot of people getting angry out there. if you get angry too often, you are making yourself vulnerable to COVID because your immune system goes down.
Yeah.
So, let's see what it does. But that's what came out for me. Like, we can easily, the monks get rid of anger all the time. I was listening to Mr. Jay Shetty, who's a popular Instagram and Facebook and YouTube person. And he says, he's written a book about monks and how his anger was released. We'll talk more about it as we go along. But it just was that, this is what monks do the whole life. All they're doing is learning how to release their emotions so they don't get upset. They don't get irritated. They don't get angry.
So, doctor, can we make it a little simple today because monk is a very powerful subject,
Yes. Yes.
and who knows in the coming days, in this week, what comes up for about this aspect of connection. But all of a sudden, I would say to every person on earth who are like a very common person living a common life and leading a great life and everything, अगर मैं एक छोटी सी बात इसको correlate करता हूँ, when we are into an affair, okay, a boy and a girl, they're into an affair, they're loving each other, they are trying to connect with each other. बड़ा मजा आता है उसमें. अगर आप एंगर वाली बात को देखो, किसी एक को अगर गुस्सा आता है, वो उसको रोकता नहीं है, वो उसको एक्सप्रेस करने, और जब वो एक्सप्रेस कर देता है सिंपल तरीके से, इतने स्मार्टली, वो उसको या तो हग कर लेता है या टैप कर देते हैं, जस्ट ऑन दी बैक, a little pat on the back, और मे बी जब हाथ पे हाथ पकड़ भी लिया ना, आप देखो कितनी जबरदस्त हीलिंग होती है.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
I am trying to say with this same perspective, which we all do in our life, in the aspect where we are talking about this affair part of between a boy and a girl, or a man and a woman, whatever it is, man and man, whatever we are talking about, women to women, everything. अगर हम इसी चीज को डेली लाइफ में कर ले तो, हर एक किसी के साथ करें तो.
आपने बहुत बड़ी बात कही. आपने एक्चुअली दो बड़ी बातें कह दी इसमें. इसको जो आपने सिंपली बता दिया. सबसे पहला, जब एक गुस्सा कर रहा हो तो दूसरे को शांत रहना बहुत जरूरी है. Stay quiet. Let the person release their anger completely. Second, don't take it too hard because it has nothing to do with you. It is years of emotions that are coming out of which you probably maybe like 1% of them, or 99% is coming from somewhere else. So don't take it too hard. And thirdly, what you said, okay, physical contact. That is what the persons need because they're so vulnerable. They're feeling like a child. All they need is a hug, a hold of hand, or saying it's okay. आपने इतने सिंपल लाइन में 3 बेसिक, वो कहते हैं ना, जो एंगर को मैनेज करने के या एंगर से को कंसर्न करने के, एंगर की सिचुएशन में को हैंडल करने के लिए जो 3 चीजें चाहिए होती हैं, आपने उसको बड़ा सिंपली बता दिया. 1 2 3 कि भाई जब कोई गुस्सा कर रहा है तो दूसरा चुप बैठे, कुछ बोलो मत. दूसरा, कभी अपने दिल पे मत लो, आपके लिए है ही नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं है. और तीसरा, उसको हक दे दो, उसका हाथ पकड़ लो, और that person is fine.
Thank you, doctor, to really rephrase it because this came all of a sudden.
अरे आपकी इतनी brilliant story है, sir, brilliant. It was just amazing the way you kind of explain it so simply.
Yeah, and see उसी तरीके से कितने relationship. And just एक thought आ रहा है डॉक्टर before we close the day today, कि अगर लोगों के relationship life में अच्छी हो ना, उनके financial issues अपने आप अच्छे हो जाएंगे.
Correct, you're right, absolutely.
So bonding relationship is so very important. और उसका आपने जो आज का टॉपिक टच करा एंगर वाला, I think wonderful. Thank you for rephrasing the words in a very simple manner. And
इसका कुछ बनाएंगे संजीव जी, हम लोग इस हफ्ते में ना इस 3 स्टेप का कुछ करेंगे. We'll make it even more, let's make it more, क्या कहते हैं वो, catchy for people. अच्छा, 3 स्टेप प्रोसेस ये क्या है सोचते हैं, तब तक लोग प्रैक्टिस करेंगे.
बिल्कुल, तब तक करते हैं.
So guys, it's, we are sharing it's important you realize that the information we are sharing, that Sanjeev just shared today, has been picked up over years of experience and education he and me have gotten, received and taken. with our clients, with our teachers, with our gurus. So while it's coming to you easy, these are pearls of wisdom. So please hold on to it and do practice them because they will make a change in your life. And that's our only intent here, that you make a change in your life. And share the stories when you make a change. What changed in your life, so that we also feel good about what we are sharing. So with that, Sanjeev, back to you.
I think that's great, and I think that's time for us. And we should say thank you to all our listeners. Srishti, thanks for joining. Soumya, welcome again. That's great. And I think yes, this is very important. Doctor, you shared ki we request all of you, those who are watching online live or those who will watch it later on, do share your story. And in your story, if you share that even in spite of these three simple steps, you are unable to do it. If you share, probably we can come up with something different and very simple for you also. Great.
Perfect.
Thanks, doctor, and thanks all the viewers. See you tomorrow in SSS at 5:55 p.m. at doc.sb.
Thank you so much, Sanjeev. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Saurabh, for joining. Thanks a lot. Hi, bye, everybody. Bye.